Today we are making some real AI films, including a horror movie so realistic that you will be amazed and wonder if such a video can really be made with AI. Before we dive in, I have an exciting giveaway for you. Stick around until the end of this video to learn how you can win. It's super simple and completely free. The truth is, yes, AI can now create videos that look just like real films. This tool I am using today is called VideoEnu. This tool comes with 5 powerful benefits. First, you can create AI images of anything you imagine, censored and no limits. Second, you can design your own characters exactly the way you want. Third, it supports many styles such as 3D, cinematic, horror, and more. Fourth, you can create a complete AI 30 minutes, AI video in just 10 minutes. And finally, everything is done automatically. AI voice, AI background music, AI images, AI video, editing, and background. All generated for you. The only thing you need is a script, and this tool will handle the rest. In just 10 minutes, you get a complete AI film that looks professional, realistic, and ready to share. If you watch the video, you will understand everything clearly. Many people get worried about whether AI channels can be monetized or not. So let me explain. Channels that upload the same video again and again, basically copy-paste content, whether it's shorts or long videos, are no longer getting monetized. But if you create your own work, like this channel I am showing as an example, then yes, it can still be monetized. To check this, what we do is copy the channel link and paste it on YouTube's Social Blade. There, you can easily see if the channel is monetized and also check how much it is earning. This is earning $3.2K to $52K in just 14 days. You'll notice that the earnings can be quite high, even now. Many AI channels are monetized, but you must do your own work. If you copy someone else's content or keep uploading the same video again and again, that channel will not be monetized. The key is to create your own original work that looks real and unique. If you do that, then your channel can get monetized and grow successfully. Today I will explain everything to you completely for free. How to create AI images, make AI videos, write scripts, add AI voice, background music, and much more. I have covered everything in this video, so don't skip any part, because every step is very important. With this method, you can make a full video in just 8 minutes. Don't worry if you are new. Just subscribe to my channel and like this video, because I keep bringing new methods like this for you. So let's get started. Open VideoEnu.com first. This is a very good website. Here you just click on Start for free, and it will give you 500 credits. You need to log in with your Gmail account. After you log in, the site will open like this. I will also tell you more about VideoEnu.com. And I'll open VideoEnu using the link below in the description first. Whether you want to create stunning 3D realistic images, professional videos, natural AI voices, or background music, this website has everything you need in one place. The tools are simple, fast, and highly creative, making it perfect for beginners as well as professionals. With VideoEnu.com, you don't need expensive software or technical skills, just your idea and a few clicks. The AI takes care of the rest, producing results that are truly mind-blowing. From content creators to businesses, everyone can benefit from this amazing platform. VideoEnu.com is not just good, it's extraordinary. Now let's start making a video. Here you will see 2 options. The first is AI video generator, and the second is AI character generator. Click on AI character generator. Here I will show you. You will find many 3D styles like cartoon, cinematic, and horror. At the top, you can choose the name, gender, category, and age. According to your choice, select these options, and with this tool, you can create any character you want. Next is the AI video generator option. Here I want to create an AI video, so I will click on it. After that, some options will appear. It needs a script, so for that, we will go to ChatGPT. For example, we can write, I want to create a horror story in which a ghost appears in every scene. And there is also a boy and a girl, both 28 years old and beautiful. Copy this text and it will give you a story. Just copy that story and use it in the AI video generator. Next, you will see 2 options, Smart Script and Basic Script. On the side, there are also options for landscape and portrait. I will select landscape. Below that, you will find many styles like 3D, cartoon, cinematic, horror, realistic, and more. Choose any style you like. I will click on horror, and after that, I will click on Smart Script. After that, I will paste the story. When pasting the story, you will also see a language option with many choices like English, Hindi, and other languages. You can also select the voice according to your choice. I will select English voice. Below that, you can choose the video length, for example 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even up to 30 minutes. You can easily create your video without any problem. For example, I will make a 1-minute video to show you. Then I will click Next. It may take a little time to process. It is very important that you watch every part of the video carefully. Do not miss any part because every step is important. Please watch the video completely. Now you can see that it has created all the horror scenes like Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. You can adjust them according to your choice. The scenes look almost like real life, and everything is arranged very well. After this, I click on Next. Now we come to the character part. At the top, there is an option called Autocasting. When I click on Autocasting, it automatically creates the characters for the video. You can see how it generates the characters instantly. Here, I don't like the character that was created, so I want to change it. For example, I click on the girl option, and from here I can choose another character. In the same way, I can also click on the boy option, and there are many characters available. You can select any character that matches your film or story. I will choose one that looks good and fits the story. After selecting, I click Next, and then I click on the best character option. I select this character and now it looks perfect. Now I confirm and click Next and all the images are ready. You can see many images have been created, just like in a real horror movie. Meanwhile, I can also edit the image. Let's click to Generative Edit. Here I can descript the content that I want to redraw. I can also use the most popular image generator, NanoBanana. NanoBanana is Google's latest AI image editing algorithm. The problem it solves is that when you generate an image, some parts might not turn out exactly how you wanted. It's often painful to have to tweak the prompt and regenerate the entire image, which can lead to dozens of regeneration attempts. This new image editing tool allows for localized adjustments based on your commands, while keeping the rest of the image exactly the same. It will boost your image to fit your need. Now we use NanoBanana. I'll show its benefit. Here I select an image, for example this image. And if I want to remove the boy from it, I click the brush and then I write the prompt here. Remove the boy standing behind the girl. In this way, the boy has been removed. You can see it. Just like that, using the trick, the boy is gone. Now, if I want to add a ghost behind the girl, I just write the prompt. Add a ghost behind the girl. So you can see the ghost has appeared. In the same way, you can make any changes you want, just the way you like. Here I select one image and click on Animate. After that, the image starts moving, and it becomes animated. In the same way, I can keep selecting each image one by one and click on Animate, and all the images will turn into animations. VideoInu.com is an all-in-one AI platform that turns your ideas into reality. With this tool, you can easily create 3D realistic images, professional videos, AI voices, and background music without using expensive software or needing any technical skills. After clicking on the animate option, the scenes are animated. Besides this, there are also many other styles you can select to make your AI video. Now the animation is ready, and you can see how good the video looks. My horror film is complete. All the scenes have been added step by step, just like in a real movie. Next, I click on the voiceover option to add voices. Here you can choose between a girl's voice or a boy's voice and adjust it according to your choice. Select the voice you like and set it the way you want. Next, I click on Next, and here you can see the subtitle option. Just select the subtitle that looks best to you. After that, choose the background music you want to add. Pick the one that suits your video. Then click on Generate and the video will start creating. I set the video quality to 1080p HD. Then click on Generate and the video begins rendering in high quality. Finally, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. After the video is ready, I download it And now you can see how amazing the final video looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Next time, I will bring more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching.